Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm taking the remaining month of September reading start from the 22nd through the 30th of September 2020. This is going to be for the sign of Aries. Let's see what is coming up for you guys for the remaining month time. I will be adding charms, I will be putting out oracle cards as well, so stay tuned. And while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also check out my sister's tarot channel as well. I will be adding the link to her channel in the comment section. If you like it, you can always become a part of her YouTube family as well. So let's get started. Let's find out what is heading towards the Aries for the remaining month time, starting 22nd through the 30th. You're starting off the remaining time with the with some sort of mindset that you are. It's more like, you know, a decision that you are making in the very beginning of the remaining month time. It's about something related to your love life. This decision is something which is you know, where you are kind of conflicted between your mind and heart. It's like, you know, you don't know which one to go for, which one to believe, which one to choose. And you do have you know, a certain inner calling for a certain direction that you should choose your heart, you should choose your mind, but still you are indecisive. You don't know what to choose, what to go for. Deep down, you know what is right or what is going to bring you happiness, what is going to bring you the fulfillment, but still you are not taking that decision. So that's going to be the energy for you for the first few days of the remaining time, 22nd through the 24th maybe. Then you do have Four of Swords. You're gonna think even more. I feel like, you know, there are certain fears that you have around the community that you are in, around the people that you are, you know, involved in this situation. You know, maybe for some of you, maybe you're a person or you have different religions. For some of you, it's just that, you know, the difference of you know, financial status. It can be a difference of religion, community, that, you know, maybe you live in a different country and so there is like a different culture to it. But yes, there are, like, you know, the blocks that you're having right now. It's more of the people, not between you and your person. The inner calling is asking you to go for what your heart is telling you to go for. It's telling you to not to listen to your mind, because it's your mind is telling you or showing you all the things that are, you know, that could be a block. You know, for instance, like, you know, maybe there is a religious difference between the two of you. Maybe your mind is like, you know, telling you you are going to have a, you know, no support coming from your family. There is going to be a rejection from, you know, his or her family. So the blocks are coming from, you know, the people, you know, the people around you. It's like, you know, deep down you want this connection, deep down you want to pursue it, but the fears are, like, you know, so strong right now, especially when you're starting of the remaining month. Let's see if they go away or not. Five of Wands. It's adding stress to you as you move forward. And then comes the Magician, where you have the power to control it, where you have the power to make things change in the direction of your dreams, desires, and goals. So would you use that power, or would you let it go and let your fears dictate you? So it's more like, you know, as you move forward, as you go with that mindset into the later part of the remaining month, it seems like, you know, you will have some sort of realization which is going to make you stressful, because you are going to feel like, you know, this is what you want. Like, you know, it's a decision that you have made, that this is what you want. Then you're going to think productively, think of the things that you can do to make it happen. What is it that you can do to improve it? If it's a work-life situation, what is it that you can do to make it work in your love life? You can convince the parents, you can convince first yourself that, no, I want this, and I'm going to take a stand for what I believe in, and I will go for it. That's the mindset. Again, it's like, you know, you are going to realize that anything can happen. It's all about you having to, you know, make that decision first, and then believing in that one decision and knowing that you can do it. So I feel like, you know, as you move towards the end of the remaining month, it seems like, you know, you will be understanding that, you know, taking stress is not the solution. Overthinking around it is not the solution. Do you like it? Do you want this person? Yes, you do. Then what next can you do? Do you want to give up on this connection? No, you don't. Then what are you waiting for? Go for it. Have some plan to go about it, and that's what you are doing as you move towards the end of the month time. Let's see more cards here. Seven of Pentacles, yes, you will start putting effort into, how you can make things happen in your love life, how you can make things happen for your work life. If it's a work life situation for some of you, maybe you're gonna feel like, maybe I don't deserve this job, maybe I don't deserve this, position. What can you do? Think of that to feel confident about it. What are the things that you can work on those things, and as you move towards the end of the month time, maybe you are going to have that realization, okay, fine, I can work on these particular areas, which is going to bring you to the point where you don't have any lack of confidence left within you. So again, it's all something which starts from within you, and it's all going to end from what you believe in, and that all is again within you. So just know how it works, and I feel like you are going to find it out. You are going to be led towards the right path, where you know that you have to make a decision, and you have to stand by it, and you have to make efforts to make things work in the direction of what you have decided for yourself. So I feel like you will be putting effort to make things work. You will be having a plan to follow, and that's what you are going to pursue. Leaving everything else behind, like you are ready, you are excited, you are just going to go for it. You are not letting your your thoughts dictate you now. As you move towards the 27th, I feel like in 27th onwards is going to be the time when you are ready to take on to your take charge of the situation, whatever it is, be that in your love life or work life situation, and you are like in complete or total power of the situation. And then you do have the Moon and Ten of Cups. As you take charge of everything, and as you allow this one decision to yourself to get onto this one decision that you have made, it's going to help you evolve as a person too, where you are going to understand that is like it's opening yourself up to a new horizon or new opportunities, new potential that you have within you. It's like with the Moon here, it seems like you never knew that you are so powerful. You can go and get anything that you want. That one realization is going to open up your it's opening a doors to new dimension for you. It's like you are going to realize how powerful you have been, but you never used or utilized your powers. And it's just that you have to make up your mind and go for it, stand by it, and do the things that you need to do, which align you towards what you have asked for, what you want, what you desire, what you are passionate about. And that's exactly what you're finding out. And you are going to take a lot of masks that you might have put on yourself, like the mask where you used to please people, the mask where you used to do certain things that you were not passionate about, just because to be fit in that particular group of people. If your friends told you that don't date or date this guy or girl, you were like kind of, okay, fine, I shouldn't be dating this person. But now you are taking all those masks off. You don't want to live for other people, you want to live for yourself. And that's exactly what's happening as you move towards the later part of the month. Underneath the deck, we do have the Devil. Underneath that, the Strength. Underneath that, the King of Swords. It's like this connection with a specific someone, if I talk about the love life here, is going to change you completely. It's a transformation happening because of this one person, one relationship. You are going to understand the real you as you set yourself free from the blocks that you have imposed on yourself, that you have to see if they are going to approve you, or they are going to get you the approval. Are they going to accept the proposal? Are they going to do this? You had so many you wanted those approvals, but now if and when you have this decision made, do you think you can stay happy without that one person? No, you won't be. Then what is the thing that you can do in this particular situation? It's your life, and you got it for one lifetime. Then what are the things that you can do to have the life that you desire with the specific someone? You have to take charge of the situation and make things right. Nothing is impossible. So if you have made up your mind, if you want to do something, you always find a way. And that's exactly what is happening here. You are going to plan things up. You are going to work diligently towards get what you want. So yeah, let's see what is the oracle message here. You are going to, unleash the real power that you have as you move towards the end of the month of September. Like around 27th and 30th is going to be the game changer for you. And let's see. Express your love. Go ahead and make the romantic gesture, and that's exactly what you're going to be doing. For some of you, you might have had the mental blocks, or the blocks about expressing your love for this person. You had the fears, like what others are going to say, like I said, maybe your peer pressure or something around those lines. And once you have understood that, do you think you want to risk losing this person? And once you decide, no, you love this person and you want your life with this person, you're going to go for expression of your love. You're not going to hold yourself back. Again, it's something which you never unleashed. This is something that you never allowed to come out as the real you. You have been having some mask on, and now as you move 27th through the 30th is going to be a very significant time for you. During this time, you are going to experience a lot of transformative energies. Transition is something I can use to express the change in you. Is going to be like that. It's going to be, you will be a complete new you. Grace, learn to scan your body. Number 29. For some of you, you have learned how to scan what is more important. What is, it's more like, you have scanned yourself, what you desire, and you now know it, and you are not ready to hide anything. You know exactly what your heart is asking you to go for. What are the blocks? Everything is something that is clear to you now, and you have now what can lead you towards what you have asked for. So it's like there's nothing that's hidden. It's everything is so clear, everything is out. There's no deception, there is no mask on, there is nothing that can hide what you truly desire, what your true emotions are towards this one person. So just go for it. Let's see what the charms has to add to the reading for you guys for the remaining month's time. So we do have F. It could be your name initial of the person that you are dealing with. You have a peacock. You finally got the sense of direction, where to go for, and it's like you don't see any danger now in anything. Like if you have no fear of what others will say, you have no fear that what if I lose myself going for this person. No, there's nothing in the world that is going to stop you now. Even if people tell you don't do this, don't do that, they are going to be acting like this and that, you know that you can change anything and everything if you want. You are ready to bring some colors in your life, and that's exactly what you're aiming for or reaching out to do or to have in your life. And I do see that you finally on the right path, which takes you towards your dream or wishes fulfilled life. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for the remaining month time. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.